Hey everybody, it's Paula here from the Excel Club. I'm making this quick video today because I've received a few questions in regards to the new comment section on the Excel Club blog. Now, if you go into the Excel Club at the moment and you scroll down, you will see that there is a new comment section. And with this new comment section, you need to register for a STEEM account to actually use it. Now, to register for a STEEM account, you can click this register button here and it'll bring you to this sign up page. And you can sign up for a free account, and there is a little bit of a backlog. It says 1 or 2 weeks queue, but it's to my understanding that queue is a little bit longer. So if you're having difficulty obtaining a STEEM account, what I would say to you is go back to my blog and go to the contacts page and send me a message, and I'll organise to have a STEEM account set up for you as soon as possible. Now, when you get a STEEM account, there are some important things that you need to do almost straight away. You will be issued with what's known as a master key, and this master key will give you access to everything on the STEEM blockchain. Now, these are very, very important keys because STEEM is actually a cryptocurrency. So these are wallet addresses, and it's really, really important that you don't share these with anybody and you don't lose them. So the first key that you will be given when you sign up will be your master key. Now, what you need to do then is you need to go to the steemit.com website. Now, steemit.com isn't a website that I would normally promote. It's not the best user interface for STEEM. But to do what you need to do at the very start, it is very handy to do it from steemit.com. So when you get your master password, go straight over to steemit.com and log in. And it's going to ask you for your username, and it's also going to ask you for your password to log in. And you can use your master password that you have been sent to log in. Then when you have logged in, if you go over to this little icon over here, which will be your avatar, and it'll probably be blank because you have a new account, and go to your wallet. These steps are really, really important. The first thing you need to do is reset your password. So the current master password that you have, put it in here, click to generate a new password, and click your understand buttons here for their terms and conditions. And this is going to reset your master password for you. Now, when you reset your master password, make a copy of it and keep it extremely safe. Recovery is very, very difficult, and you don't want to lose this key at all. Now, the next thing that you need are your permissions. And this is really, really important too. You've got a number of keys in here. You have a posting key, an active key, an owner key, and a memo key. Now, these are all hidden from the user interface, and you need to log in to actually show them. And when you log in, if you click login, click the button show the key, it'll change this key to the key that you actually need. What you need to do now is take a copy of all of these keys and keep them extremely safe. Now, anytime you change your password, all these keys will also change as well. Now, your posting key you need if you want to engage on the Excel Club website. So if you're taking part in the activities that are posted on the blog, the learning activities, or if you just want to leave a comment or feedback, you need to have your posting key to log in. If we go back here to the Excel Club, then it will ask you to log in. And you need to log in with a thing called STEEM Connect. And STEEM Connect will look and see what permissions are needed, and you press continue. And then it says choose your account, which you choose the account that you want to log in. It'll only have your list of accounts there, or accounts that have been used on your machine. Now, because I have used STEEM Connect before, it's automatically logged in, but it will then ask you for your posting key so you can engage. And once you put in your posting key, you will then be able to leave comments just by hitting this reply button here. And you can then leave your comments in here. Now, the Excel Club will be rewarding people with the STEEM token that engage on the comment section in the blog. But we're not going to reward comments such as thanks very much. You really have to participate in the actual activity, or leave good feedback, or leave a good comment, or add a little bit of additional value. Now, these STEEM tokens you're going to be able to use against the price of our premium courses. Think of it like a loyalty card that you would have with your supermarket, where you collect points and at the end you can exchange these points against the cost of the items that you want to buy. So think of it like that. It doesn't have to be complicated just because it's cryptocurrency. Now, there are other things you can also do with your STEEM. There's plenty of other things that you can do with your STEEM, but that's for another day and another video. For the moment, I just wanted to show you how to log in, how to get your keys, because your keys are of utmost importance, and how to change your master password. So do change your master password as soon as you get it. And if you're having a problem signing up for a STEEM account, head over to my Excel Club website, go to the contacts page and send me an email, and we will get you set up on STEEM as soon as possible so you can engage and start earning STEAM rewards on the Excel Club as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye now.